Hello, in this video today we're going to show you how to use some date functions, and specifically we're going to start out with January 1st, 2020, and we're going to show you how to add one day to the date. So that way we would end up with January 2nd, 2020. You could type it in, but this is a formula that'll also do it. I'll be doing this for the whole year, so I wouldn't want to have to type all of those in. And there's also some copy paste functions you can use, but this is meant to show you how to do it with a formula. All right, so the formula is going to be B14 plus 1, B14, see, B14 plus 1. And you'll be resting in B15. You could be anywhere you want it, but consistency is what we're looking for. So put in a plus, pick up that number, plus 1. Now you see we have January 2nd. I'm going to copy that all the way down to the end of the year, and I have it set up a stop down here at row 379. That will be the last day of the year. Kind of set that up ahead of time. So, and as you see, I made a copy, so copied that number all the way down, and you can see it just takes that formula and adds one date to it each time. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to start by erasing, plus B14 plus 1. Control C, copy, shift, arrow down all the way down to your stopping point, and then hit enter. That gets it all the way down. So that's the first thing. So if you were to build a calendar for a whole year, you could do this. The next thing we're going to do is the month name. So my formulas are a little bit out of order here, but formula to display month name equal text 14 4M's. Okay, equal text open parentheses B14 comma MMMM for those. See, now it puts in January, so you can see the formula here. Text equal B14 4M's. Do it exactly like that. I'm also going to copy it all the way down. This is a little trick I use. Put a number 1 or any character at the end of where you want this copying to stop. Go back up to the top where you want to copy it. Control C. Move down 1 space. Hold your shift down. Hold your control down. Now it's filled in the entire area to copy, and then hit enter. All right, now let's look at that. See, February, March, April, May. It's kind of nice. You'll find a good use for that. All right, the last day of the month. I use this formula a lot, so it is going to be driven off of B14 again. End of month, right there, equals end of month. EOM, open parentheses, okay, comma, 0. If you put in a 1, it'll put the next month in for whatever reason. If you do a -1, it'll go back to December. All right, hit enter. Okay, now you see it's the last day of the month. Let's do that copy trick again. I'm going to go clear to the bottom. The way you get to the bottom is you hit Control, resting on the area that you want to get to the bottom of. Control, arrow down, get you clear to the bottom. I'm going to copy these number 1s over here. So Control C, Shift, do that over a couple of times. shift. So let's do that again. Control C, arrow key over to the right one. Hold your shift key down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm just going to hit enter. Now we got, I call these stops. It'll help for it helps with copy pasting. Okay, let's go back up here. Copy. Shift. Go down one row. Shift. Hold your arrow key down with your control button and your shift. You're clear at the bottom. Now you see that all the way there. Okay. All right, let's see. Named day of the week. So here it is. Named day of the week equals text. Open parentheses. Go over here. Comma. 4 Ds or 5 Ds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Ds. Close it. Close parentheses. That's Wednesday. I'm going to copy it all the way down just like I was before. Control C. Move down one row. Shift key. Control. Arrow down. Now you're at the bottom. You've copied that formula all the way to the bottom. All right, week number. And there's more formulas than this, but I'm just giving you some ideas. So, week number. It's a real simple formula. Week num V14. All right, equals week n week num open parentheses. Week number 1, right? We're going to copy that all the way to the bottom. Control C. Use your arrow to move down one. Hold your shift key down. Hold your control button down. Go clear to the bottom. And now you can see there's all your week numbers. I hope this helps. Like if you like what I did. Thank you.